do your job. I'll talk to us.
Really?
Yes.
You're press?
Yes.
What's your name?
None of your business. That's my name.
Okay.
Moe. What's your name?
So you need to get out of my scene right here and go over that way.
Well, you're just talking to us, though.
I'm talking to you to go over there. If you don't want to talk about it now, you don't want to give me your name, you need to get out of my crime scene.
Oh, there's a crime scene?
Why did you talk to us if you didn't want to hear?
Because you're here standing in my crime scene.
Why did you try to get our information right now for?
You're here want to talk to me, so I'll talk to you.
Okay, we can talk, but I mean, we don't need each other's names.
You need to get out of my crime scene. You need to go down there about past my
Officer, your suspect is in custody already. You have no more crime scene.
This is a crime scene right here, sir. You need to get out of it.
Really?
I'll find some place for you to go. You need to be on the other side of my car.
Is it because I'm recording you?
I don't care what you're recording.
Why'd you give out his name?
This interaction immediately highlights the ongoing conflict between public accountability and police authority. The officer's tone sets an adversarial mood rather than a professional one, escalating a routine situation into a confrontation. Instead of calmly explaining boundaries, the officer resorts to commands and intimidation, which fuels resistance. When authority is asserted without clarity, it often creates confusion rather than compliance. This moment establishes the power struggle that defines the entire encounter.
What's your name?
Hey, Mo.
That's not
Why'd you
important.
give out the kid's name?
Your name's not important? It's going to be if I have to arrest you for not clearing my crime scene.
Am I bothering you?
You're in my crime scene. This is where a crime happened. You don't have the authority to be here, so you need to be on the other side of that patrol car.
I'll be on the other side of that patrol car.
If you do not move out of my crime scene, I will place you in custody right now. My crime scene is at the end of this patrol car, so you need to stand back there, and you can ask and say whatever you want.
There's not even any tape,
Fucking
man.
tyrant.
Stand on the other side of my patrol car.
Threaten someone with arrest. For what? What's going on right here?
You're interfering with my investigation.
What investigation?
You were the one giving out the kid's name. No wonder you're not a sergeant. He was giving the camera your grandson's name.
Now that I'm out of the way, what are you doing?
Check
I
this fool
said
right here.
behind my patrol car. You're not behind my patrol car yet.
Arrest me then, officer. I'm not doing shit wrong, man. I'm not bothering you. Arrest me. Do it.
Recording in public becomes the central trigger for the officer's behavior, despite it being a protected activity. The officer appears more focused on controlling the camera than addressing any legitimate safety concern. This reaction suggests discomfort with transparency rather than enforcement of law. When officers treat cameras as threats, it raises serious questions about accountability. Public trust erodes when lawful observation is met with hostility.
Here, man.
You're live already. You're gonna start getting calls. They can feel police.
Fucking arrest me. I'm not doing nothing wrong, man.
Senior deputy or senior officer Moy, if you guys want to make some calls and let your chief know, I'll be senior deputy.
So you're gonna get that so you can back us up?
Yes, I am.
Childish. Go ahead, public servant. Do what you gotta do.
You are acting childish too, man. That phone is gonna become my property as soon as you take a picture of us. I'm gonna get you emails, everything. Even if you send
Come on, go ahead and put your little tape, man.
You dumbasses already know who I am.
Look at him.
Look at him. Look at him, guys.
Pathetic, man. I thought.
Stupid ass on my fucking channel.
I can't wait.
Dumbass.
The repeated demand for names demonstrates a misunderstanding or deliberate misrepresentation of legal authority. Civilians are not required to identify themselves without reasonable suspicion, yet the officer insists otherwise. This insistence turns a lawful presence into a manufactured violation. The pressure applied is psychological rather than legal, relying on fear of arrest. Such tactics undermine constitutional protections.
Look really stupid here.
Look at this guy.
It's gonna be Moy.
Wow. What are you trying to do? Gather your evidence now? Are we too close to you?
Crime scene.
Are we scaring you?
You're a silly man, Mo. Mr. Camera Boy? You're a silly man, Mo. Alright guys, this will be Bakersfield Police Department.
Look at him.
That'll be Senior Officer Moe. If you guys want to make some phone calls, feel free. It'll be Bakersfield Police Department. This unit will be 5945, plate number 1294477. my job as a camera.
Oh, so you're gonna put the crime tape up?
It's just for show.
I love it. Look at that. We're out here recording, and we don't know who this guy is. He just came up and just...
The declaration of a crime scene appears arbitrary and unsupported by visible evidence. The suspect is already in custody, eliminating any immediate investigative necessity. Expanding the crime scene without justification becomes a tool to remove observers rather than preserve evidence. This misuse of terminology reflects either poor training or intentional deception. Either way, it exposes a gap between policy and practice.
Started recording too, so much props to him.
She thinks that we didn't went to Audit. Yeah, make sure you get in that eat that food.
I would just record in public. Did you know that Kern County is the deadliest county for police justified killings?
Mo, this ain't in your vehicle, Mo?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
You need to be behind the vehicle.
Yeah, there ain't no crime scene, man.
There is a crime
There ain't no crime scene.
You're live right now.
It's already done. You guys handled
You're
your job already, man.
He's still in
Hey, bro, just because you got a problem with us recording you, man, just stop already, man. All right, just stop.
Your attitude says it all, Mo. Let me get him live. Let me get him. All your asses need to take.
Verbal escalation replaces professionalism as the officer engages in sarcasm and personal remarks. Instead of de-escalating, the officer mirrors the hostility he claims to oppose. This behavior contradicts the expectation that public servants maintain composure under scrutiny. Emotional responses from officers often signal insecurity rather than control. The badge does not excuse unprofessional conduct.
Your ass back to high school, bro.
Get behind the crime scene now.
Arrest me, man.
When we leave, you can do whatever you want.
Arrest me, man. I'm not doing nothing wrong, man.
Get behind the patrol car because you're interfering with our investigation.
Let your ego give it up, Mo.
Arrest me,
I'm
Mo.
going to tell you one more time to back up behind the patrol car, and then you're going to be arrested for being in our investigation.
For what? Am I doing something wrong?
It's the crime scene. He said ego hurt cop. Leave him alone.
Back up behind the crime scene.
Back on back. Just leave him. We're gonna get him with his chief. We're gonna go to the police station right now.
Am I breaking the law?
You are until you get behind that patrol car.
You didn't put the crime tape, Mo.
Yeah, Mo.
You took it out like
It's just right there. It's even getting put away because there is no crime scene.
Now, as always,
Threats of arrest are used repeatedly without clear articulation of a crime. This creates a chilling effect designed to silence lawful activity. When arrest becomes a bargaining chip rather than a legal consequence, authority turns coercive. Citizens are placed in a position where compliance is demanded to avoid punishment, not because the law requires it. This dynamic is deeply problematic in a free society.